Give kisses.
What is it? It's a frog, look! Hayden, look, touch it.
Ooh, Angel, off that anthill. They're all over your foot. You're about to get bit up.
What is it? Frog?
Get a picture of that, Ty.
I'm not picturing. I'm recording.
Oh.
Oh, you got earwax.
I could put this on YouTube, be like, baby scared of frogs.
Yeah.
Do it.
Look. What is it, Brutus? What is he doing? Oh.
Frog's like, what'd I do?
It's a frog. He's okay. Oh, he's a booty.
Heck is wrong with
Get over here.
What the heck, man? Twink.
Not like that.
What is it?
A little bit more.
Oh, Daddy got a frog.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Touching his foot. He's looking like, is it the frog?
Oh, I hate it. What is it?
Oops, sorry.
Is that enough?
I didn't even need to. I was trying to get the foot in.
Daddy, is that enough?
He's shaking.
I'm done. I'm all done. Except for
Oh.
Ty.
Maybe you.
It's a frog. Didn't that hurt him?
I'm gonna get some stones for him.
What is it?
It's huge.
Look. What is it? It's a frog. Look.
It's gonna jump and scare the shit out of him.
What is it?
Here he goes.
What is it?
See how far it jumps?
Here, Tyler.
But I
Knocked
didn't
into his leg.
know it was gonna do that.
Feel stupid about it. What are you doing?
As long as I'm not holding it, he's alright with it. Where'd it go?
What's the frog say? What's that frog say?
Get in front of it.
What? What's it say? Look. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You can see it trying to make itself bigger. You see it? Puffing up.
What did he do? Did he get him jumping? What? What is it? Ooh, mosquitoes are bad out
I'm
here.
gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him.
What's wrong with that weed eater?
Huh?
What's wrong with the weed eater?
Fucking cord wouldn't go back in there.